Hello, my friend. Yes, I'm talking to you, my friend. Are you hunting for a high-paying IT job? Are you holding degree from non-IT stream? Are you currently working in non-IT and looking for a switch in IT? Are you someone who hates coding but still want to join an IT firm for a high-paying job? Or are you a student and wants to learn to be a professional? If all of these questions bug you, give us your next 10 minutes and we will give you a pathway to become ETL developer, data engineer, or ETL tester. Welcome to Talent Tech Solutions. We have right courses for you that can help you to get your dream job and great salary. Let's start with an example. Why business needs ETL? Let's consider this female CEO. She wants to get some answers. What are my daily sales? What is my best selling product? Now, to get all of that, she has business across all of the globe. She wants to get the reports and make informed decisions based on these questions. Now, how will she get answers to these questions? For that, she needs to get all her data in one place. Now, to do that, we need a tool that is an ETL tool. Now, what is ETL? So, ETL, which stands for Extract, Transform, and Load, is a data integration process that combines data from multiple data sources into a single consistent data store that is loaded into a data warehouse or any other target system. Let's consider, for an example, this diagram. We have business A, business B, and business C. So, these might be different countries' data, different state data, or whatever it might be, right? So all of this data we have from different sources, we extract it, we transform it based on the business rules, standardizations, validations, and we load it into one data warehouse where we get all the information. Now, since all the data is at one place by the process of extract, transform, and load, which is nothing but the ETL process, we can now start the reporting and do the data mining on top of it. This can help business to get insights on what is happening in their business, and all the questions that the CEO might have can be answered. Okay. So now in the world, there are many ETL tools. Why should we learn Talend? So anyone can learn Talend even with no coding background. If you are from a non-IT field, you can get and learn Talend. So Talend is just a simple drag and drop ETL tool which is very user friendly and it is very fun to learn. It is very simple. The GUI makes it very easy for you to learn and remember whatever can be done on this tool. It has free version which you can download without any cost and you can work on it forever. Talend is one of the top 3 ETL tools. It is on the grantor chart as well. It is on the top right quadrant. So, few MNCs, examples of few MNCs which are hiring for talent developers are the below. We have vacancies in Deloitte, TCS, Mindtree, Infosys, Cognizant, Wipro, L&T, etc., etc. The courses we offer are broadly in three categories. For each of the courses, new batches start every month, right? And all of these are completely online. And if you want, we have an institute. You can visit there and get your offline sessions as well. So, coming on, the fourth course that we offer is talent training plus two real world projects. So, this is a 60 days worth of course. The first 30 days we teach you Talent Cloud, Talent DI, Snowflake, PostgreSQL, data warehousing concepts, everything. And then the next 30 days we use all of this and implement two projects, two real world projects. One would be related to data warehousing or migration, second would be related to data ingestion. So the key features that we provide are we have well-trained set of ETL practitioners who are actually working in MNCs, right? They are going to teach you this stuff. Every session is followed by practice test and recorded video. If you miss some videos, you can get back to those videos and again watch through the lecture. We have given you the scenario based interview questions which will help you to be ready for your interview. We take your mock interviews after the completion of training and guide you on where and what you need to improve. We help you with resume preparation. We have offline practice and doubt clarification in the institute, right? You can visit there and get all your doubts solved. We also take care of your business communication, not just the training, the technical things. We also help you improve with your soft skills. We have our Udemy course, which is right now the highest rated course on ETL. In that Udemy course as well, we teach you the Talend, we teach you the data warehousing, we teach you one database, that is the PostgreSQL. We also teach you S3. We also teach you the enterprise tool components of TMC and TAC. So everything is there on our Udemy course as well. So batch starters every month. You can get the more information in the description. Now, why us? Why should you choose us? You have given us this valuable time, so we are going to give you all the points that will help you in decision making. So, our course on Udemy is this. So, we have this Talent plus SQL plus data warehousing course. This is one of the best sellers, right? We have a very structured curriculum, right? We have been doing this training from a quite long time, right? We have many students that we have already placed in many MNCs, right? Plus, there are many students which are currently learning with us. So, our course is very structured, right? We teach you things properly in a proper sequence so that it stays in your head for a longer period of time and you understand it technically as well. We help you with hands on project experience, the real world project, where we do two projects which you can take with you for your career as well. All these training sessions are very personalized, right? You can visit our institute. We will guide you there with what needs to be improved in your business communication, what needs to be improved in your technical skills, which area or places where you are facing some difficulties. We can help you there. All this is industry relevant. We don't have a stagnant course. We keep on updating our course based on the new skills, new technologies that are coming out into the market. We have right now 4,300 plus students, including Udemy, right, which are getting trained with us. Plus, we have already placed 380 students in top MNCs, right? What is our unique selling proposition? So, we are the only one course provider out there which help you with real world projects. The projects that are going on right now in the industries, we help you with that. So, that is our USP, and which for sure is going to help you in landing a job. You can try around everywhere and then choose the best. So we have batches starting every month. You can now get the demo description videos of all the courses that I have talked about in this video, and you can watch them and then make an informed decision. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much, my friend, for your time. Over and out from Talent Tech Solution.